What's up, guys? Today I'm doing Roblox Stop Me video.
Since the last time we were there, they changed the Darkly School. Wait, they turned good? There's going to be a ceremony. And no ceremony. That means it's going to be cake.
What did she say?
Now they invite a board to give him honorary support. Are we sure we're talking about the same Lord? Please tonight, can everyone hear me? Okay, so let's brainstorm on how to use my mega weapon to destroy the ninja. Remember, the weapon can only create, never destroy. I can only use it once a day, as it drains all my strength. So, no such thing as a bad idea. Anyone? Let's make more pirates. Over the side. Please. Anyone else? Don't be shy. No bad ideas. What if you recreated the devourer? Over the side. Instead of things that have already failed to destroy the ninja, how about something new? Can you create a giant ham sandwich? A poisoned giant ham sandwich? I would hope not. I'm so hungry. This is impossible. Those pesky ninja always come out on top. How can I defeat ninja who so rudely refuse to be defeated? Weapon, answer me. Wait, that's it. Giant ham sandwich. Better. No more brainstorming. Gather me any ninja belongings left on their ship. Ninja, today I wish for you to finally meet your match. Made you to be equal to the ninja. And will only to we. Yes, Lord Garmadon. I command you to find and destroy the ninja. Now that we can ride the dragon, we should get to Darkly's in no time.
Well, that's a point. You guess they're in one piece. Just be gentle. Any sudden moves can cause him to...
Any sudden He's been getting better.
All the same, I'll take the reins going home, just to be safe.
Lloyd? Brad, you came! So good to see you. It is? You put fire ants in your bed. Please forgive me. I wasn't myself, and have learned the error of my ways. And you must be the ninja. Guys? Brad Tootable. Such a huge fan! Go good! Please, will you not follow me to see the principal?
Should we all be in class?
Actually, today is a new Darkly School tradition, Ninja Day. We stay out of sight to honor the way of the ninja, showing us the light.
Huh, this is a good school. I'm impressed.
Principal Noble, Lloyd and the ninja are here for the ceremony.
That and the cake. By the way, do you know what time it is?
I should get back to the flowers.
Has anyone seen a teacher yet?
Their absence is most strange.
Welcome back, Lloyd. Chief? And welcome, Ninja, to the new Darkly Sporting School for Worst Boys. Gene, I'm gonna get you for...
Nice you're here.
What happened? Where's Lloyd? And who are all of you?
We're the teachers, and we've all been taken prisoner. We tried to teach the boys how to be good, but they overthrew us. They're monsters.
But I thought Lloyd was getting an honorary degree.
Well, that was the boys' trick to lure Lloyd here to convince him to be their leader.
There's not gonna be cake!
Welcome to your ceremony, Lloyd. Or should I call it an evil intervention? Where are my friends?
They're better off without you. With friends like you, who need enemies.
You may have forgotten, but we're your true friends, and we want to help you undo the damage you've done to yourself and our school's reputation. See, doesn't a part of you miss being there? Oh, ninjas! Thank goodness! Can you reunite me with my dear pebbles? That's not what I had in
Remember, we must find the ninja.
You're back. So,
How was it? It was great! We were having so much fun we almost forgot where we were.
I bet Lloyd had a blast.
Lloyd? Yeah, sure, yeah. He's still there. He wanted us to tell you that he thinks you should go. Like, now.
Interesting.
Mega Monster amusement park is no place for an old man. I just slowed him down.
Mega Monster Amusement Park. Oh, yeah, right.
Lloyd is not at the amusement park. You are not my student.
And you are not our master.
Whatever you are, you all could use a lesson.
Teach us then. Where are the ninja? Who'll never talk.
Hey, are you back there? Can't wait to hear the other body shop.
We're never gonna open that door. I hope we haven't turned Lloyd. I think things can get much worse.
Look, don't worry, guys. I told Mia I'd meet her at the auto body shop. And since I'm so punctual, if I'm even 1 second late, she's gonna suspect something's wrong.
Oh, there you are. I was wondering when you get back. You're usually not late.
It's a whole new me, baby. Nice work. We should take it out for a spin. Then we can make a lot of jumps.
Should have known spending time at Darby School would turn you into a bad boy.
Darby School? Is that where we were?
What's happening to you?
It's okay.
Did you find that little dark? Excellent. Now destroy that. It'll be our pleasure.
If we don't get out of here, they're gonna brainwash Lloyd and undo all the lessons we try to teach him. Not to mention, never taste cake again.
How well do you and the teachers know this building? We barely know it at all, actually. We're new. The old teachers were highly committed to teaching evil. When the protest when the school went good, so this building was a restricted for evil. Don't we have to assume there are hidden passages which none of you would even know about?
Hey, you're right. Just wouldn't be an able school without hidden passages. Okay, everyone, look for a hidden switch. It could be anything. A book, a tile, a fixture.
I found it!
Wrong switch! Keep looking! Ah!
Computer, stop. What?
Set a timer as long as you think I can. As long as you think I can stay for
Computer, set a 100-minute timer.
1 hour and 40 minutes. 40 minutes.
Computer, stop timer. Computer, stop timer.
1 hour and 40 minutes. Time is canceled.
Computer, set a 1-minute timer.
10 minutes. Starting now.
Now.
What's the time at?
6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So 55 seconds. Sure, set a timer for 45 seconds. Thank you, set a 40 minutes. Computer!
Stop.
45 seconds.
Computer, set a 45-minute timer. What? Computer, stop. Computer, stop timer.
45 minutes. Time is canceled.
Computer, set a 45-second timer.
35 seconds. Starting now.
Computer, stop.
Benji, why do you never bring exclusion talking about Fortnite?
Hello.